Hello engineers, welcome back to Engineering Design Simplified. In this video series, I will be solving tough engineering mechanics problems. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and press that bell button so that you will be notified when I upload a new video. Today's problem is a spherical ball of weight 50 Newton is suspended vertically by a string of 500 mm long. Find the magnitude and direction of the least force which can hold the ball 100 mm above the lowest point as shown in figure. So also find tension in the string at that point. So the hint for this problem is P will be minimum when it is at 90 degrees to the string. So in this problem we have a spherical ball of 50 Newton is suspended by a string of 500 millimeter long and it is pushed by a force P so that the height will be 100 mm from this position. So now we have a triangle. This length is 500 millimeter and since this is 100 millimeter we get this is a 400 millimeter. So angle between this vertical line and this string, let us call that alpha. So from this triangle, right angle triangle, we get cos alpha equal to 400 by 500. So we get alpha equal to 36.9 degrees. Now let us draw a free body diagram of this spherical ball. So this spherical ball weight will be acting downwards and tension in the string will be acting along this and the string experiences tensile load. So the tension in the string P is represented like this and a force P is perpendicular to this string and is represented here. So the angle alpha here is also same as here. So angle between horizontal and P will be alpha. Now let us let us represent these forces in a along x and y directions as shown in figure like this here. So W is acting downwards and P is acting towards this direction and angle between P and horizontal is 36.9 degrees. So angle between P and T is 90 degrees. So T is represented like this. So if the angle between P and T is 90 degrees, then angle between W and T will be 180 minus 36.9. So we get 143.1 degrees. So this is the system of forces. So this is the system of forces on ball. So angle between P and W is 90 degrees plus 36.9 degrees, that is 126.9 degrees. So we have already seen in the previous slide angle between T and P is 90 degrees, angle between T and W is 143.1 degrees. Now let us apply Lame's theorem. Lame's theorem is W by sine 90 degrees equal to P by sine 143.1 degree equal to T by sine 126.9 degrees. So from first two terms we get P equal to W sine 143.1 divided by sine 90. So after simplification we get P equal to 30 Newton. Similarly, from first and last terms, we get T equal to W into sine 126.9 by sine 90. So after substituting values and simplifying, we'll get T equal to 40 Newton. That's all for today's video. If you like this content, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.